Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Firebase hosting, deploy web applications step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Firebase website at firebase.google.com. Click on the Get Started button. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Once logged in, click on the Go to Console button. In the Firebase console, click on Create a Project. Follow the prompts to set up your new project. Once the project is created, locate and click on the project in the console. On the left sidebar, find and select Hosting. Click on the Get Started button to initialize Firebase hosting. Open your command line interface. Make sure you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. Install the Firebase CLI globally by running the command npm install g-firebase tools. Once the installation is complete, log into Firebase using the command Firebase login. This will open a browser window prompting you to log in. Select your Google account and allow necessary permissions. Return to your command line interface after logging in. Navigate to the root directory of your web application. Run the command Firebase init. During the initialization, select hosting by using the arrow keys to highlight it and pressing enter. Follow the prompts to configure your hosting options. You may choose to overwrite existing files if prompted. After the configuration is complete, you will see a public directory created. Place your web application files in the public directory. To deploy your web application, run the command Firebase deploy. Wait for the deployment process to complete. Once finished, you will receive a hosting URL for your deployed application. Copy the provided URL to access your web application online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.